Do you procrastinate more often than you'd like? Barbara Oakley, engineering professor in our very own backyard at Oakland University in Rochester Hills, Michigan, taught one of the largest online classes in history on learning how to learn. She also wrote a phenomenal book entitled A Mind for Numbers, in which she discusses a fascinating study where researchers put people who hate doing math through an fMRI scan and observed that when they thought about doing math, the pain centers in their brain lit up. However, when they actually started doing math, the pain centers totally turned off. What does that tell us? The anticipation of doing something you're avoiding is what's painful and leads to procrastination. We can all fall into the tendency of making tasks or projects much bigger in our own minds than they are in reality. And the longer we delay the task, the larger we perceive it to be, and the smaller our self-confidence becomes as we shrink and bow down to the task. Ralph Waldo Emerson put it succinctly when he said, "Do the thing you fear, and the death of fear is certain." So, what's a practical way to prevent the anticipation from leading to procrastination? You can set a timer for 5 minutes, giving yourself permission to take a break when the timer goes off, if you feel you need it. More than likely, you'll find such relief that the task really isn't as bad as you've been making it out to be, and you'll just continue as you gain momentum on the task and feel your confidence grow with each passing minute. And remember, you got this.